Hi guys, let's install a wig from BGM Hair. Like a water wave type of wave. Okay, you just put it on and go, but I went above and beyond and I bleached the knots, and you can tell like I over bleached the knots, but we're gonna go ahead and fix that to the best of our ability. So, and I washed the hair, so this is the hair and it's natural. Isn't it pretty? Yeah, I cut my hair. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the Kiss gel. The wig, the box came with a edge brush, so I don't have to braid my hair, which is amazing. I'm gonna reattach this back inside of the wig. On the side of the wig, it has these little things here for you to put the clip in on both parts. So it's like, it comes with like 3 little different holes, so depending on how you want it to be. So I'm gonna put it in. Choerline here with another video, and in today's video we're going to be talking about this hair that I've literally just installed, plopped on my head with a little bit of work. So let's get started. So this hair is from BGMgirl hair. This is the packaging that the hair comes in. This is a loose deep 26-inch hair. It came in this little clear long bag. I'll show you guys a little video of when I first installed the hair and how it looked. I was like skeptical at first because I'm like, this is not the hair that I saw on Instagram, on TikTok, on all over, even on the website. But you guys, after I washed the hair and I put a little bit of water, do you guys see this texture? Did y'all see this? Oh my gosh, this is a 26-inch. I'll try to stand up so you guys can see. I'm like 5'1.5", so it's pretty nice and long for me. Hair. Y'all don't judge my bottom half. You already know how it be. You just gotta look good up here, and that's how we do it, okay? The hair came in a natural color. I did dye the hair black. I bought some hair dye from the beauty supply store and I dyed it black. I also bleached the knots as well. You will see in the videos that I over bleached the knots. Even though it says, I think it says it come like pre-bleached or whatever, but I felt like when I put it on, it still showed up as white. But I wanted to try and bleach it. The hair also came with like 2 different wig caps, one that is a light color and one that is a dark color, which I am wearing underneath. Oh, the hair is completely glueless. Like, baby, I'm not wearing no glue. Okay, look at this, look at this. Like, you guys have to like it's glueless. Like, we in glueless season, okay? It's glueless season. The way this South Florida heat is set up, I cannot have anything glued to my forehead, okay? Like, it will be melting. So like, all I did was lay my little edges to the best of my ability, and I just threw on the wig. You guys, I use a spray bottle, I use water, I use my mousse. I love the lot of body mousse. It's like the least expensive mousse and it still gets the work done. I also put like a little bit of the Aussie what is this oil, this intense hydration oil with the mousse, so it can give it a little bit of shine and it's not like crunchy, right? This is like a throw on and go. Because it's not gonna be on my head to sleep at night, the hair is gonna last longer that way. Listen, get you a glueless wig, okay? This is for beginners. I did cut the lace. You will see in the video that I cut the lace, because like, if you don't cut the lace, it'll be like all the way over here. It'll kind of blend in, but then like you'll have this big old lace here. So I think the lace is meant to be cut off. So some people leave it on and then just put makeup on, but like you will see, like in person, you would literally see that big old lace. So go ahead and cut the lace a little bit here and there. I use this High Beams Intense Black Spray to kind of spray where I over bleach my knots. And this hair, you guys, this hair is perfect for the girls who can't do baby hairs, okay? Raise your hands, because this wig is for you. You don't have to do no baby hairs unless you want to. Like, really, I'm not even doing baby hairs. I mean, you could style the hair. You could do little things to clip it. You could do a lot. You could do a side part, a middle part. You could slide it over. Do whatever you want to do, but because, baby, is a glueless. So this hair, like I mentioned before, it is a loose deep wave wear and go glueless wig. It is 180% density. It is an HD closure wig. I'm gonna show you guys a picture of how the model looks like on the cat. This is what she looks like. So I'm pretty sure if you apply heat to this hair, you can get those type of curls with it. I haven't done that yet, being that I just installed it. I believe for this hair I paid like $200 for a 26-inch. They always have like a deal and coupon. So far so good. Like, the hair looks so luscious. I'm feeling myself with this hair. Like 180% density, and it is so full and so thick at the same time. Like, how do you even do that? I will definitely be back with an update on the hair. I definitely, as of now, recommend this hair. Perfect for beginners, perfect for wear and go, which is the purpose of this hair. I will leave the link down below if you guys are interested in getting this hair, and let me know like how you rocking it and, you know, styling it and all that kind of stuff. But you guys, so far so good. Like, this hair is looking really luscious. Spray a little bit more water. Oh look, I'm literally just spraying water on the hair, and look at this, look at the curls. Ooh, look at this hair. Just spray a little water Only if you want to, because once you wash the hair, it gives it this nice little wave. But I would just spray water, put a little bit of mousse, and you just go. And then that should hold you off for the weeks. I'm a lazy wig wearer. I'm a lazy hair girly. So whatever I can do to minimize me doing extra to my hair, I'm for it. Okay, so like, look at this. Look at the shine. That's just water, baby. That's just water. That's water. So you guys, that's pretty much it for this video. I don't want to make it any longer than I have to, but I wanted to show you guys this hair and drop the link below so y'all can get on, because this is the perfect hair for going back to school, if you're going to work and you just need something. And I feel like the curls are just like, the curls are curling. Okay, it's doing what it needs to do. Like, it literally had me go out here and do my makeup. Like what kind of hair does that? Like, this hair, baby, this hair. Let's get into it. Okay, that is pretty much it for this video. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you want to see more of me on your timeline, be sure to subscribe to your girl. Okay, and like I always say, put God first and you will never be last. And let me know down below if you plan on getting this hair, because it's a must, baby. And again, 26-inch. Everything will be listed below. Like, get into this hair. Okay, get into this hair and get back with your girl. Bye, guys.